Factory resetting your Acer computer restores it to its original factory state, effectively deleting all personal files, installed software, and custom settings. This process reinstalls the operating system and built-in applications, returning the computer to how it was when you first purchased it. Factory resetting is useful for fixing persistent problems like computer slowdowns, malware infections, or system crashes that regular troubleshooting can't resolve. It's also essential when preparing to sell or give away the computer, ensuring no personal data remains. Before proceeding with a factory reset, it's crucial to back up all important data to an external drive or cloud storage, as the process is completely irreversible. Once the reset begins, all data will be permanently erased. So take this step seriously to avoid losing valuable information. Most Acer computers have a hidden recovery partition. To access it, restart your computer. As it boots, repeatedly press Alt F10. This should launch the Acer Recovery Management. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your PC. Ensure your computer is plugged in during the process. This method reinstalls Windows without needing external media. If your Acer PC runs Windows 10 or 11, use the Settings app for reset. First, open the Settings app on your PC, navigate to Settings, then System, then Recovery. Click the Reset This PC button. You'll see two options: Keep My Files for partial reset, or Remove Everything for full factory reset. Choose Remove Everything for a complete reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. Make sure your PC remains plugged in during the process. This method uses Windows built-in tools and works seamlessly with Acer PCs. If the recovery partition is corrupted or missing, you'll need a USB recovery drive. Download the Acer Recovery Media Tool from Acer's website. Use the tool to create a bootable USB drive. Boot your Acer PC from the USB. You might need to change the boot order in BIOS settings. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Windows. This is essential for systems with corrupted recovery partitions. Before starting any reset method, back up all your important files to an external hard drive to avoid permanent data loss. Alternatively, save your files to cloud storage such as Microsoft OneDrive for easy access and protection. Make sure your Acer PC is connected to a power source to prevent any interruptions during the reset process. For certain Acer models, you may need to temporarily disable Secure Boot in the BIOS or UEFI settings before proceeding. If the Alt F10 method doesn't work, ensure you're pressing the keys repeatedly during the initial boot process. If you encounter errors during the USB reset, double-check that the USB drive was created correctly and that your BIOS settings are configured to boot from USB. For gaming PCs, uninstalling GPU drivers beforehand can prevent conflicts. After the reset is complete, immediately connect to the internet and run Windows Update to install the latest updates and security patches. Then, install the necessary drivers, which can be found on Acer's support website for your specific model. Use Acer Care Center for diagnostics to verify hardware functionality. Factory resets are evolving towards greater cloud integration, with features like automatic OneDrive syncing post-reset becoming standard. AI-assisted diagnostics are also emerging, flagging potential hardware issues before the reset. Expect future resets to be more automated and potentially integrated with voice assistants for easier remote recovery.